Hi, this is Visit channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create polls on your Discord. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Discord, a leading platform for community interaction, provides an of features to enhance communication and engagement. Creating polls on Discord is an easy way to gather opinions or vote from your community. Using a Discord poll bot or the Discord poll command, you can quickly set up polls that allows members to participate and share their views. For a quick step, you can try this simple step. In this video, I will show you how to create polls on your Discord. It's a simple. So first, you can just choose on the server that you want to create the polls. This one, maybe for the example. Now you can go to the chat section. You can just tap on the plus icon on there on the bottom left here. You can just tap on that, and you can see there is an option polls. You can just tap on that, and here you can just add your question. Maybe for the example, like this. Now you can type for the answer. You can add another answer maybe, but I will just add two answer. You can choose the duration for the polls from 1 hour until 2 weeks. I will just choose on 24-hour. Now after that, in here you can choose allow multiple answer, so they can answer multiple answer in here, but I will just skip that step. Now you can just click on post. So here's all the member in this server can vote these polls on your Discord. So simple, right? So that is how to create polls on Discord. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!